Hello and welcome to our video tutorials series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to change your cPanel account's password. Log into our panel, click on the hosting menu item in the sidebar, and navigate to your hosting account for which you want to change the cPanel password. Under Hosting Account Overview, scroll down to Service Details and navigate to the Actions row. Click on the Change cPanel Password button. A dialog window will appear. First, enter the current password of your cPanel account. Then, the new password. Repeat the new password. Once done, click on the Update button. And that's it. Your cPanel account's password has been successfully updated. We hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our knowledge base or simply contact our support team.